Seniors, stop! Before you throw anything out, you might be getting rid of something priceless. Some things seem like clutter, but are actually treasures, holding memories, purpose, and value beyond what meets the eye. Welcome back to Seasoned and Savvy. Today, we're revealing 14 priceless things you should never part with while decluttering. Let's begin with something that often gets overlooked. Half-used bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and soap. You might be tempted to toss them thinking they're just clutter, but these forgotten toiletries can be repurposed in creative ways. That shampoo you didn't love. It works as a fabric cleaner or even shaving cream. Conditioner isn't just for hair. It can be used to shine shoes, detangle zippers, or soften paintbrushes. Instead of throwing them away, challenge yourself to use them up and rediscover their utility. It's a small but satisfying way to embrace resourcefulness. Next, consider the paper goods you've stocked up on, extra napkins, toilet paper, and tissues tucked away in a closet. These may seem like mundane items, but they're lifesavers in unexpected moments. Whether hosting guests, dealing with spills, or facing a sudden shortage, having these essentials on hand brings a sense of preparedness. The wisdom of keeping a little extra is a habit worth holding on to. Now think about those kitchen tools you only use once a year. That turkey roasting pan or special holiday dish might seem like space-hogging clutter, but they're part of your family's story. Instead of discarding them, find a dedicated storage spot. Keeping them means preserving cherished traditions. When the holidays roll around, these items will be there to help create lasting memories. Decluttering becomes trickier when it involves someone else's belongings. It's easy to assume that a spouse's old fishing gear or a grandchild's forgotten toys are unnecessary. But these items may hold deep sentimental value. The best approach? Lead by example. Start with your own items, and you may inspire others to do the same. Respecting the emotional weight of belongings fosters harmony in the home. Then there's the matter of spare parts, the tiny screws, plastic clips, or mystery attachments found in junk drawers. These small pieces may seem insignificant until the day they're needed. Tossing them might lead to frustration when you realize they were the key to fixing a favorite appliance or piece of furniture. Instead of discarding them, gather them into a labeled container. You'll thank yourself later when that one missing piece saves a day. Preparation brings peace of mind, which is why keeping extra towels, blankets, and sheets is a smart choice. A soft blanket can transform an impromptu guest stay into a cozy experience, and a stockpile of towels can come to the rescue during household mishaps. These aren't just extras, they're a way to make life more comfortable and adaptable. Similarly, having duplicates of everyday essentials, scissors, measuring cups, tape measures can be a lifesaver. We've all experienced the frustration of searching for an item just when we need it most. A backup set can prevent unnecessary stress and keep daily tasks running smoothly. Photographs hold a kind of magic that digital images can't replace. They capture moments, people, and emotions in a tangible way. Instead of letting old photos sit in storage, curate the best ones and put them on display. A framed picture on a nightstand or a small collage on a wall brings joy and keeps memories alive. These images tell the story of a life well lived. Quality furniture and well-crafted items from past generations are worth preserving. Unlike modern disposable pieces, vintage furniture was built to last. Even if a piece seems outdated, refinishing or repurposing it can breathe new life into it. A sturdy old table or handcrafted chair isn't just furniture, it's a testament to craftsmanship and family history. Important documents are another category that should never be discarded carelessly. Birth certificates, marriage licenses, wills, and insurance policies are essential records that can be difficult and expensive to replace. Keeping them in a secure, organized place saves future stress and ensures they're readily available when needed. Sentimental keepsakes, handwritten recipes, small trinkets, or personal notes may seem like minor items, but they carry immense emotional value. Instead of hiding them away, find a way to incorporate them into your home. Framing a beloved recipe or displaying a special memento can bring warmth and connection to your space. Family heirlooms, whether they're jewelry, books, or furniture, hold the essence of past generations. These items serve as a bridge between the past and future, carrying stories and memories with them. Instead of parting with them, consider which ones truly speak to you and pass their significance along to younger family members. Hobby supplies, knitting needles, sewing kits, paint sets often get tucked away and forgotten. Yet these tools represent creativity and relaxation. Keeping them accessible allows for moments of joy, whether through personal projects or sharing skills with loved ones. A rainy afternoon spent creating something with your hands can be incredibly fulfilling. Finally, books deserve a permanent place in any home. They are more than just words on a page. They are companions through life's journey. Whether it's a beloved novel with worn pages or a cookbook filled with favorite recipes, books hold a special kind of comfort. Even in an age of digital reading, there's something irreplaceable about holding a well-loved book. Decluttering isn't about getting rid of everything, it's about making intentional choices. The items we choose to keep should enrich our lives, provide convenience, and preserve our stories. As you evaluate your belongings, take a moment to appreciate the value they bring. By holding on to what truly matters, you create a home filled with warmth, history, and meaning.